Hello friends, welcome back. So guys, today's session we will see a delete method. Like first we creating a flow service, like adapter service, flow service. Then this particular flow service, how you can test. Okay. So delete method basically we will see in this demonstration. So let's start the demo. Very first, I'm creating one adapter. So adapter folder is there. Just right click new. Then adapter service. Give the name as a delete data. Then next. Here, select adapter type for JDBC, then connection name we already created, select it. So here we need to select the template, delete SQL, and then finish. Okay. Now here we need to select the table. Okay. So first we need to define our database. So book is my database, book is my table. Then select and OK. After that, in where condition, which record you want to delete. This particular book ID we need to mention. So select this book ID, but type field like input field type you need to change as a string. And then in delete query timeout is -1. This is fine. In result we need to mention the result field as well. And result field type just select java.lang.string and then save. Okay. Now we can like check this particular adapter service is working or not. So right click run service. Here we passing one data. So first check your database. So particular book ID 103 is available. Okay. Now I want to delete this particular data. So what you can do, just pass 103 and then click on OK. After that you can see the result as a 2, and also you can check in your database the particular changes happen or not. Select top 100 rows. Here you can see the 103 is not available. So it's a deleted. Now next step would be we need to create one flow service. So new flow service, give the name as a delete data, then finish. After that, just this delete data adapter service here. Define your input as a ID, and you can give the name as here author ID, yeah, book ID. Okay, details, and in string like output mention as a result. Save, and in go to your tree tab, pipeline. Here ID details we have. So pass ID details to book ID and then map. Again maximize this result to your result field and then save. Now here you can also check this is service is working fine or not. Run as flow service. So check the database 107 data is there. I want to delete this data. So 107 and then OK. After that you can see the result is 1. Let me check this delete result with a string, no problem. Okay. Now I created delete adapter service, flow service as well. Now I need to define my delete resource. Okay. So how to create REST resource, REST adapter, like REST API descriptor. It means in short RAD. So detailed description you already video already uploaded on same channel. I must say you can go through this particular video so to get a better idea. So one REST resource we already created, we can just add this but our delete adapter, yeah, delete method here. Okay. So give the name as a data service name. So we created one service delete data, select it and select method as a delete and then click on OK. We can change here to avoid a misconfusion. Okay, to avoid a confusion, just select details here. Okay, then click on OK. After that, We already defined the RAD. Okay, so update RAD, you can check everything: title, data, description, schemas, HTTPS, consumes application slash JSON, and produces application slash JSON. That's it. Now I want to run, like I want to test this particular pro service on my postman application. So just open this application. This is my folder. So I want to add one request here. So click on add request. Give the name as a delete data. Okay. Select method as a delete. Here we require if we colon double slash localhost, it means server name, colon 5557 port number slash go to your rich resource. So we created a resource where we created, this is update data, this is my resource. Details, this is URL template, and delete, this is supported methods. So click on that. Here you can see the template prefix. Just copy and paste it here. And then slash. We required a resource name. So where you can see details, this is my resource name. So just give the resource name as a details and then slash. After that we require a body. Before that you can save and click on body. Click on raw. Here you can pass the body. So in curly braces, ID is. So check your database, 104 ID is available. So mention here as a 104 and then save and then send. Okay. Like the format is not clear. So that purpose, change the header. Content type, application slash JSON. Okay. And then save and then send so that you will get a exact idea. Okay. Authorization we required. So change to basic auth and then save and then send. Okay. Now you can see here the result is 0. Why? Because let me check the database. That particular details is available or not. If the details is not available and if you are passing the same field, then it will not getting the exact output. So 104 is there. Okay, pass the 1099. Try and check. Okay, I got a mistake. ID. Check your service. Delete data. Here we pass the input as a ID details. So this particular field you need to mention here as well. Yes. Now save. So now 104 is available. So you can see the result as a result one. If you are pass 104, that's why it's showing the result as a 1. But now check your database. The changes got happen or not. Now change 104 like details got deleted. Again you are passing the 104 and then send, it automatically result showing as a 0. It means whatever data, existing data, whatever data is available in your database, those details you need to pass. After that, these things you know need to mistake, like typing mistake, don't do, so that you will get a exact output. If you do the any kind of a typing mistake, but obviously you facing some challenges like internal server error, access denied, something like that. So whatever testing you doing, first thing, check the database, check proper data, take proper data. After that, give the authorization. For get method, use parameters. Another method, use the body. If you're looking for a JSON kind of format, so in headers you can pass a particular header. Okay, if you get exact data, then but obviously you will get a exact output as well. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. I hope you are enjoy this video. So if you like this video, then guys don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment your own channel. We'll come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much. Have a great day.